In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen MacBook Pro during update. So you're updating your Mac and your Mac keeps stuck on this screen. How to fix this? First option, what you can do is you can press and hold the power button on your Mac for 10 seconds. So you're holding the power button 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your Mac will turn off. And then guys, wait a little bit, turn your Mac back on, and maybe then the updating will continue again. Second thing is, if this doesn't work, what you can do guys is turn your Mac off and then unplug all the accessories. Unplug everything, printer, your mouse, driver, USB hubs, your MacBook loader, like everything. Unplug all the accessories from your Mac. And then last solution, and this is the solution that worked for me. So I was updating like you, the MacBook Pro, stuck on the screen. I was waiting for like 2 hours and nothing happened. But the third thing that worked for me, and that is startup for macOS recovery. What you do, make sure your Mac is turned off. Now it says if you can't shut down normally, press and hold it for 10 seconds. Now make sure your Mac is turned off. Then what you do is press and release the power button to turn your Mac on. So basically what you do, you just turn your Mac on, and immediately when the Mac is turning on, you hold the buttons Command and R. You hold them until you see an Apple logo or spinning globe, guys. So yeah, that's the thing that worked for me. And then the updating just continues, and then you have the new update of macOS installed. So guys, this is how you fix a frozen MacBook Pro during update.